y'all, it's Tiana Shannell and I'm back with another video before I go to the gym. Somebody asked me to do a tutorial for this on my Instagram, and this is like easy. What? I cannot fucking talk. This is even easier than the last tutorial I did. It's off the last tutorial, so if y'all didn't see how I got these crimps, go ahead and watch the last video. But I'm trying to record on both my phone and here. Maybe I should do it like this. I feel like it's gonna fall. But yeah, I'm about to put another hairstyle in, so this is the last day I could possibly record this. Okay. Hey y'all, hey TikTok. I'm also recording on Instagram, but I want to show y'all how I did this cute hairstyle. Will y'all see how easy it is? No way. So, put the hair down. Do kind of like a triangle part. Like this in the front. But it can be even thinner than that. You want to do the same thing on the other side. Yeah. Like this type of it. To talk while I was doing this, I might become a bottle girl. And is this like our trial, Grace? It's in Midtown where like all the clubs are, like Ember, and it's where traffic used to be. So it's on Wednesday. We're promoting hosting. Shit, I can't even say it right. With some dude named Sammy. He's famous. But yeah, so if y'all not doing nothing on Wednesday night, y'all should definitely come out. See me, my homegirl, Sammy. New club. Great vibes. Any part that's still sticking out, I either like let it stick out, and if it's too much, like right here, I'll just pin it with a bobby pin. I just go over it since it's the front, but I leave everything else the same.
You went back to Wednesday?
Yep. Last night. This is like the gist of it. I'm gonna just get some bobby pins to bobby pin like certain stuff. That's fine, but that's how easy the hairstyle is, y'all. That simple. But I can fix my edges a little bit. But I'm going to the gym, so we gotta remember that. All this is gonna be sweated out. This is the final hairstyle. I hope you liked it. This is like probably the fastest YouTube video I've ever made. This is the final look. And if y'all want to go to the club on Wednesday, y'all want something to do, y'all live in Atlanta, come to where traffic used to be. It's called 7
Midtown.
7 Midtown. And vibe. Mwah. Who don't want a 30-second hairstyle? A 30-second hairstyle. 5-minute, 30-second hairstyle. Close enough, shit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends about me and everybody about me. Send it to the friend that don't know how to do their hair. Send it to the friend that need a little extra help with their hair. Like, I'm that channel. For real. I'm that girl. Send it to the friend who hair don't grow and she been wanting her hair to grow. Send it to all them, y'all, for real.